Advent of Code 2022, Day 6. For example, suppose you receive the following data stream buffer. Okay. As you move through the dense undergrowth, one of the elves gives you a handheld device. Communication system, however, because he's heard you have some significant base systems. He convinced the other elves that it would be okay to give you their one malfunctioning device. Surely you'll have no problem fixing it. As if inspired by comedic timing, the device emits a few curl first springs. They want to make it. This needs to log onto their signals. Random characters that the device receives one at a time. To fix the communication system, you need to add a subroutine to the device that detects a start of packet marker in the data stream. The protocol used by those 4 characters that are all different. Okay. For example, so we need to get the first place where there's 4 characters that are different, and we need to get the last such. Okay, how many characters need to be processed before the first is detected? Okay. So basically, file data is that. Okay, so this is stream. Well, strip. And then for in range length of file data -4, I guess. Cake. Okay, so then basically, okay, if length of characters equals 4, well, okay, print I plus 4 and break. Okay, 7. Here for me, for a few more examples. That should be 5. That should be 6. It should be 10. That should be 11. Okay, get your puzzle input. That's the right answer. Continue to part 2. Okay, your device says communication system is correctly detecting packets, but still isn't working. It looks like it also needs to look for messages. A start of message marker is just like a start of packet marker, except it consists of 14 distinct characters rather than 4. Here are the first positions. So just put this. I'll just put 14 here. And this one, it's 19. Oh. That's the right answer.